Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. This is the important questions for R16 batch CSE C programming. This is the requested video. Some students are asking keep the important questions for C programming in R16 batch. So in the first unit you have some chapters are there. First chapter is totally introduction about computers, and second chapter is some C language, starting of C language. So first question is explain the components of computer. What is a computer? Components of a computer is important question. Explain about computing environment. That is also important question. How to create and running programs in C language. And important question is what is algorithm, flowchart, and explain the symbols used in flowchart with any one example program. And what is the number system and conversions, decimal to binary, binary to decimal. This is the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is totally general topics. What is computer, components of computer, like this. We concentrate either in chapter 1 or chapter 2. Chapter 2 is introduction about C language, structure of C language, input and output commands in C language. Next, operators in C language, very important question. And input and outputs, variables, constants, precedence and associativity. Otherwise, you concentrate on these two. Very important question. Compulsory coming these questions. Either it is a conditional statements or loop statements. In the loop statement, you go for loop, while, do while. These everything is explained with programs. Then we get very good marks. Don't leave these questions. Conditional and loop statement compulsory. These questions are coming in this unit 1. Then break, continue, go to. So these all are the questions in unit 1. Either introduction topics or we go for C language questions. In this, these two questions are compulsory. Structure of C language are input and output commands or operators. These are very important questions. Concentrate. If we coming to unit 2, in the unit 2 very important question is storage classes. Next important question is functions. Functions, recursion. This is also topic under functions only. Call by value, call by reference. For this we go for factorial of a program or swapping of two numbers programs. Everything is explained with programs only. Very important question is recursion. So we concentrate either functions, arrays. Very important question, arrays. In the arrays, what is array, types of array, single dimensional, double dimensional, and programs. Matrix multiplication program, transpose matrix, matrix addition. Otherwise, you go for linear binary search programs and sorting techniques. So in this, we have concentrated more on storage classes, functions, arrays. Very important questions on unit 2. Unit 3 is some dynamic memory allocation theory question. Very important question. Don't leave dynamic memory allocation. Then string handling functions. What is string? String handling functions are very important question. Then we just check it. What is pointer? What are the symbols or operators are in pointer and arithmetic operation. So concentrate more on dynamic memory. String handling functions. Just after that check it pointers. Unit 4 is important question is enumerated data type. Simply it is called as enum also. And there are two concepts are there, structures and unions. Read thoroughly structures, programming with structure are very important question is difference between structure and union. Don't leave this question, right? Difference between structures and union. And then command line arguments. This is also very important question. Enum, command line arguments. Unit 5 is totally files. What is file? File operations, fopen, fclose, file modes. Very important question. File modes and types of files, binary and text files. And this is also very important question. File operations, sequence, random access file operations, fseek, rewind, ftell, some functions. Then we concentrate on some file programs, copy the content of one file into another file, merging of files. So these are the important questions in C language. So concentrate more on input and output commands in C language, structure of C language, if statements, loop statements, arrays, functions, recursion function, and then dynamic memory allocation, string handling function, enum, difference between structure and union, file operations, file modes, command line arguments. If you read these questions, you easily get the good score. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, share it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. All the best.